Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Silvia and today we are going to create a sticky note with shadow. Let's start with Procreate. Open a new document. In my case, I'm going to open a square layer with dimension 2048 pixels and the resolution 132 dpi. Now, select this icon here and choose rectangle. Draw a rectangle like that and fill it with a color. I choose this pink, but you can choose any color. Later, I will show you how to change the color. Now, duplicate the layer and deselect the layer below, like that. Tap the selection tool here and choose Warp. As you can see, you can modify the shape in any point. But we are going to modify only the right corner here. Point the pen and drag gently up and left, not too much. Now, deselect the arrow and duplicate this layer. Rename the layer below Shadow. Go to Adjustment and Hue Saturation. Now lower the brightness to 0%. As you can see, the layer shadow is black. Selection tool again and choose Freeform. Adjust the shape like so. Now, select Adjustment and choose Gaussian Blur. Slide to the right until you reach about 13%. Select the layer and reduce the opacity at 50%. Now choose the Selection tool and adjust the shadow like this. Remember that we want the light coming from the upper left. Now, with the Selection tool selected, go to Warp to adjust more. Keep trying until you're happy with the results. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. Now, select the two layers and group it. Duplicate the group and then choose Flatten. Duplicate the group again, deselect the group below and open the group. Select the layer, then Adjustment and slide until you reach the color you like. You can adjust the saturation and the brightness too. I choose this beautiful green mint. Then I'm going to flatten the two layers. Then I repeat all the steps to create more stickers note with different color. Go to Action and choose Crop and Resize and adjust the canvas. Be careful and leave the space for the shadow on this side. Now open GoodNotes and see how it looks like in our planner or bullet journal. Select a layer in Procreate and drag it into GoodNotes. Resize it if you like and look how realistic it is. As you can see, I have it in my sticker book. You can also pile them. Feel free to play around. Thanks for being with me during this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in my next video. Bye!